how to take this setup and turn your YouTube videos into a huge production as if you had this setup. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can film yourself with no one around, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. Let's get started. Ashley Janay here, teaching new YouTubers how to grow their YouTube channel and helping you create the life that you are destined for. Consider subscribing to the channel and make sure that you have the bell on for when I upload new videos every Monday and some Wednesday. Step number 1, placement. Now when it comes down to placement, you want to make sure that you're setting up your camera where you have enough lighting. Preferably myself, I use a window. I don't have any huge lighting equipment. I'm in my dining room using my open window and the blinds are open. Just using that. And also you want to make sure for the best quality and the cleanness of the video, make sure that you're using the back side of your camera and not the selfie. If you have to use a selfie, it's okay, but I highly suggest that you use the back of your camera because the video quality is much better. And to also help with that, I set my phone on do not disturb because I have an iPhone, but for Androids you can put your phone on airplane mode. Sure that I'm in placement and that I'm in focus of the lens. I will go ahead and set either a pillow or I just have my chair where I'm going seated, and then I will pretty much hit record and then I hit stop, and then go and check and make sure that I'm in focus with the camera. If not, I just do a quick adjustments on my tripod, which I got from Amazon for really cheap and really low, and I have an adapter that holds any smartphone that you may have, and which I will have pretty much my tools that I use linked down below. Tip number 2, background. Now when it comes to background, you want to make sure that choosing a background that is very clean and is pretty much speaks to who you are. As you can see in my background, I have my candles and I have a plant. It just speaks to who I am when it comes down to my background, and it's not too much distraction going on back there because you'll be able to focus on me. Now if you want to film outside, you want to make sure that you are filming outside where you are not directly in the sun because it would cause for you not to be able to see. But what you want to do is find a nice shaded area where the background is not going, it's not too much stuff going on in the background, in that you still get that beautiful sunlight, and then you still have that shaded area and you're capturing the moment. I'm gonna pause this video to make sure to ask that make sure that you're still with me. If you're getting a lot of value from this video, make sure you can go ahead and hit the like button, and also comment down below if you have any funny stories where you try to film outside and there's like some huge distraction going on and you have to move and change your area. Number 3, lighting. Now when it comes down to lighting, as I mentioned earlier, my placement is in my living room / dining room area in front of the big window. So you want to make sure that your lighting for your video is not dark. You want to make sure that you are facing the light and not having your backside against the light, because it causes shadow and causes for you to be very dark on the camera. But if you have to purchase any lighting equipment, you can go ahead and look for on Amazon. Step number 4, audio. Now when it comes down to your audio, you want to make sure that you position yourself in an area where it is completely quiet. Let's try that again. You want to make sure that you're in a place where it's completely quiet. All background noise are completely blocked out and there are no distractions. For my personal self, I use the built-in mic that comes in my phone, or you can make purchases for a mic. And you know exactly how to film yourself with absolutely no one around, and how to achieve professional videos for your YouTube channel all by yourself on an absolutely big or small budget. And with that being said, just because you have stuck around to the end of this video, make sure that you subscribe to my email list where you get more, where you can stay connected and you can get more tips and tricks and how-tos on how to grow your YouTube channel and also to create the life that you are destined for. And if you want to be a part of a community with like-minded women, head on over to Facebook and join my free Women Entrepreneur Rise Facebook group. And if you like this video, make sure that you let me know by liking the video and comment down below your takeaways or what was your favorite part of this video. And make sure that you share this with other lady entrepreneurs as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel where I'm going to be posting new videos like this every Monday and some Wednesday.